Okay, welcome to my gun class. Today we're going to be learning how to use a pump air rifle. As you can see here, this is how you use it. You have to compress the air. There's no gunpowder or ignition or anything, so it's all air based.
The Sprite is all the way right there.
That's our target. It's hanging from a tree. Let's see if I can hit this Sprite can.
Did you hit it?
Where'd it go? Oh, you see that? The can moved. The can moved.
It got hit.
Locked and loaded. Time to blow this thing up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, the safety's on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It's on the bike.
Whoa, it came out the other side. Oh, I went through the can.
Whoa.
Where'd it go? That's my question.
I don't know. Alright, who's next? Alright, ready? Set, go. Alright, safety's off. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Safety's off. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Where'd it go?
I don't know. Are you right there?
Yep. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Whoa! Where'd it go? Blow this thing up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Oh, it's two holes.
What? No way. Okay, now we're gonna be eating lunch. What is this? Lobster? Lobster gang?
Yeah. Lobster caught over the shower.
Alright, okay, this one has some. কি কেমন লাগে?
মজা।
হুম।
রায়ান কি খাচ্ছ তুমি?
Golda chingri.
No.
Golda chingri.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey, Elias, anybody want some more? Oh yeah, এটা তো মাছল তো অনেক ভিতরে আছে।
No.
Nice.
Nice.
I don't know. I'll get on this one. I mean, unless you want me to be on that one. Do you want me to be on that one?
I can be on this one with the little ones. You're gonna be on this one?
Because I think I can patrol on this one. But if you want to be this one, I can help them on that one. Because this, it's alright. There's a balance. You have to get on this. There's a specific way you have to do it.
Yeah.
Ryan might have called someone.
I think I need to check. তুমি বলতে তো হবে না রে মা।
Look, Jara and Boshbe, they have to keep the majority of the balance. So you have to.
তুমি তাহলে এই সাইডে চলে আসো one more, right? এখানে আসবে।
Me?
কি ব্যালেন্স হইতেছে না কিন্তু।
Oh.
ও এখানে আসবে, right?
No, they aren't making much of a difference because they're in the middle, the center of gravity. If you think about it like a scale, if you have weight in the middle of a scale, it's not going to move as much. But if you weight on the end of a scale, it's going to move a lot more. Okay, already raat hoye geche.
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so let's push you in.
রায়ান বিসমিল্লাহ লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহ মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহ মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ। পরে যদি যাই আমি পড়ে যাব। মা এত সাহস করে যাইতেছ আমি কিন্তু সাহস নাই আমার। লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহ মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ।
This is a really bad idea. This is a really, really bad idea.
Hey! Are you recording it? Oh my God. No, Ryan, hold it.
I am holding it.
Hold it.
I am holding it. I am holding it. Relax. Stop moving.
Which one? Left side. This one? This one?
Oh God.
This one?
মাঝখানে বসো মা।
Oh my God! I sat in the middle.
Yes.
Do not.
Wait. Flip to the other side. Flip to the other side. Flip to the other side. Flip to the.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
দরজা বলতেছে আমি ট্রাই করতেছি।
তোমার সামনে যাবো কেন? তোমার তো এখানে যাবো তাহলে।
তুমি থামো, আমি সরাইতেছি আমাদের, তুমি থামো। Lift your oar out of the water. Please.
কি পুশ কি what এত স্কেয়ার হয়ে তো হবে না তোমরা তো আসছো অ্যাডভেঞ্চার করতে তুমি বলতেছো তুমি তো কায়াকে তুমি কেন তো যাও yeah
পানি থেকে উঠাও
you guys want to go okay fine let's go I'm pushing you I'm pushing you
আস্তে আস্তে আস্তে
all right let's go
ওকে
তোমরা কর্নারে কর্নারে থাকো সালমান
bon voyage
কর্নারে
এনিমান ঢুকাও পানির মধ্যে ঢুকাও
কর্নারে থাকো
what is happening
ঢুকাও ও মাই গড
speed and power speed and power speed and power
all right it's time to do some grilling dinner time Iqbal's gonna be the master chef so light lagbe naki re yeah loading up the charcoal process ta ki tray er moddhe dite hoy na naki এটার উপরে ওকে ও আচ্ছা ট্রেটা তারপরে হোল্ড করব হ্যাঁ
Here is my lighter. I got the fluid.
let's get them burning
oh wow grill master
Lighter fluid, which one? These are the stick up the flame. Which one?
some nice heat going on here oh কেমন flame
Today is more controlled. তারপর এরকম সাদা সাদা হয়ে আসতেছে না? That's like পুরো চারকোটা যখন সাদা হয়ে যাবে that means চারকোটা পুরো ধরে গেছে।
right yeah because then some carbon emission হবে and then আসল জিনিসটা
After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go.
all right it's dinner time we have all the barbecue that we have just done look at all this lamb
Any
chops and garlic bread
We just need the plates.
uncle's ribs look at that barbecue
Touch my
ribs
ribs and made it for you guys.
look at this guy
I'm such a giver, right?
what a giver
You guys are eating.
corn and then vegetables looks good guys very nice
After